The Seminole County Sheriff's Office arrested 5 people accused of illegally voting in the 2020 election. Last month, Governor DeSantis announced his election police arrested 20 people across the state for the same crime.
We have since learned most, if not all, of those people thought they were eligible to vote. That also appears to be the case with the Seminole County defendants. Investigator Lewis Bolden has been breaking developments for weeks now and is standing by with tonight's exclusive report. Lewis.
Well, Matt and Lisa, it is interesting to note the state did not find these people. A citizen data researcher did. I tracked down one of the 5 people arrested. Solomon Webb Jr. admits he did not know the law, but questions why he was allowed to register to vote if his rights have not been restored. It's a question raised by other defendants in our investigations who were arrested on the same charge.
I was surprised they actually did that.
Solomon Webb Jr. says he was surprised when Seminole County deputies came to his home and arrested him for illegally voting in the 2020 election. Did you intentionally cast an illegal ballot?
No. I never meant to do anything illegal. When it comes to voting, no, I never meant to do nothing like that. I thought I was eligible.
In 1999, Webb was arrested for attempted lewd and lascivious act, a third-degree felony. He pled no contest and was sentenced to 5 years probation. He was also required to register as a sex offender. Around 2018, he said he heard felons' rights had been restored.
And televised, a governor had said that we had our rights, felons had their right back to vote. They can go ahead and go and vote now. So I was like, oh, we've got the right back to vote.
In 2018, Florida voters passed Amendment 4 to automatically restore the right to vote for people with felony convictions upon completion of their sentences, except those convicted of murder or a felony sex offense. Solomon says he wasn't aware of that part, so he registered to vote in 2019.
And I went down, gave them my ID, gave them all the information, and they ran it, and they did what they did, and I've had no problem since then.
So you thought you were eligible to vote?
Yes.
Do you recall getting a voter information card?
Yes, each time. That was one of the things that led me to believe everything was fine. You're not going to get that card if you're not eligible. So if you get that card, you got to be eligible.
We asked Seminole County Supervisor of Elections Chris Anderson why Webb was allowed to register to vote. His office responded via email, "We did not receive a packet from the state saying otherwise." Anderson tells News 6 he received an email in November of 21 from a data researcher regarding individuals who may have illegally voted in the 2020 general election. In March of 2022, Anderson reported to State Attorney Phil Archer that 5 sex offenders voted in the 2020 election and requested a follow-up investigation into each one, according to an arrest affidavit. Webb and 4 others were arrested in July.
Things like this shouldn't be done like that. It shouldn't be done. They could have sent a letter saying that you show up in court on this day. Why are you going to people's homes, taking them out their homes, arresting them in front of all the neighborhood, disgracing people like that?
We know from our previous reporting the same data researcher sent 3 names to the 5th Circuit State Attorney. Bill Gladson's office did not file charges in those cases, saying under state statute, you have to prove that someone willfully broke the law. He said the evidence failed to show willful actions in those cases. We will continue to follow Webb's case and the others who have been arrested on this same charge. Matt and Lisa?